Welcome to this Talkative demo showing our Mitel integration. In this demo, we're going to show how for an agent inside of Ignite, in addition to receiving calls and emails, how you can receive talkative chat interactions. First of all, we're going to show how to build out a generative AI chatbot using the Talkative admin panel. This is our chatbot builder, where you can create decision tree style flows and easily update the text. And there's a lot you can do in here, including integrations into CRM endpoints. So if you need to put in a where is my order lookup or something similar, you can easily do that in here. The bit we're going to focus on in this demo is the generative AI responses. And this is where we're taking a pre-approved knowledge base, and we'll show how to make these in a second, and then taking a large language model to answer the customer's question based on this knowledge base. So to make a knowledge base, you can use a combination of files, web pages, documents, and free text. And you can easily scan an existing website and add it in to the knowledge base. And you can get this to periodically update, so your data is always fresh if you are updating your website on a regular basis. And in this case, we're using a credit union sample knowledge base against which we're going to answer or ask the customers questions. So let's give this a preview. If we ask it a question, in this case, the customer's question has been understood by the LLM, the AI. The AI has then gone into the knowledge base and given what it thinks is the most appropriate answer from the dataset and has given it back to the customer. If the answer can't be found in the knowledge base, we go down this path here. This ensures you keep your responses on brand. And if someone asks something silly or inappropriate, like what's your favorite football team, we'll go down this path on the right. We can also ask follow-up questions. So in this case, I'm going to ask what rates they offer. And again, we're going to go back to the knowledge base to get the answer, which is then presented to the agent. In this case, we're going to, even though we've had our question answered, we're going to speak to the team. This is now going to transfer this web chat into our queue. And this queue is coming into the Mitel queuing and routing system. And it's been assigned to me as an agent because I've got an open media workload. Now, when I accept the interaction, we're now connected up with the customer, and we can see the transcript to date, and we can obviously chat back and forth with the customer. We've also got our AI suggested responses. This is where the AI is, if you like, staying in the conversation and, again, based on the knowledge base, suggesting responses to agents. And we can choose to either send this message across, or if we want to edit it, we can do so first. And this will update as the customer asks questions throughout the chat. So in this case, I can see that's the right answer, so I'm just going to send that message across. But in addition to the AI-driven suggested responses, we have a number of pre-written responses that we can add into the system for common greetings and messages that you might need as a customer service agent. We also have the ability to use AI to make the message longer, shorter, or even just check for spelling and grammar. So in this case, I'm going to make this more professional, and we'll get this additional suggested message up here, and I'm going to send this through. We can also use, we can send across files, emojis, voice and video notes, and there's a whole host of other chat features including real-time translation, PCI compliance, and swear word blocking or sensitive message keyword blocking. In this case, I actually want to speak to this customer, so I can obviously call them through the Mitel system, but I actually want to use a voice and video call within the chat window itself. So I'm going to make an offer to this customer, and when we connect, we can now see and hear the customer, and they can turn their video on if they want to. And we've got our blurred background or virtual background applied, and the video calls are transcribed and can be recorded depending on how you configure the system. But from the customer's perspective, they've not had to download any plugins or set up a separate meeting to join this video session. I'm going to end this chat down, and we've got AI suggested tags. So this is where the system will actually look at the transcript to date and add in these tags, but if we think these are wrong, or if we need to add some, we can do so there, and we can add in any other information at the end of this interaction. The widget itself has a number of advanced customization options, which you can manage from within the Talkative environment. There's a whole host of other settings, so you can be really granular about how you're implementing these AI features. So from a agent assist point of view, you can choose to have queue-specific knowledge-based responses, and you can toggle, again, the different models that you might want to use and the different features. In addition to the web chat demo we've just shown, you can use WhatsApp, SMS, and Facebook to deliver interactions the same way into Web Ignite. From a reporting standpoint, because this interaction comes in as open media, it will show up in all your existing Mitel real-time and historical reports. Talkative has its own suite of reporting that you can, in this case, we've embedded it into our Mitel Ignite dashboard. But a lot of the queue and agent information is already in your Mitel system. From an analytics perspective, Talkative has its own historical analytics. And one of the neat features we recently introduced is AI Insights. So this is taking all of the transcripts in your contact center and is using AI to summarize what the most frequent issues that are being raised. In this case, we can see we've got a drinks package. It is something that customers are talking about a lot. And if we want to, we can click in here to see the interaction and read the transcript. And additionally, we've got some suggestions for things that could be automated with a chatbot flow. And we can start to use this insight to build up better knowledge base and increase the efficiency of the chatbot over time. Talkative is a very simple solution to deploy. Everything is low code or no code. As you can see here, this chatbot builder is very easy to come in and edit and make tweaks to. And yeah, if you have any requirements to see a more in-depth demo, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we can help you with a personalized demo. Thanks for watching.